A hearing was held today on the case of two young children accused of brutally attacking a 5-year-old girl back in September.
We do want to forewarn you here and give you a heads up. The allegations in this story are so disturbing. Annabelle Childers explains where this case stands and how we got here.
In September, a mother reported her 5-year-old daughter had been sexually and physically assaulted by other children and then abandoned in a field. Cleveland police launched an investigation and charges were filed against a now 9-year-old boy and 11-year-old girl. The specific allegations outlined in court records are too graphic to describe, but each child is charged with 9 counts, including attempted murder, rape, and strangulation. In November, the accused children appeared in court for arraignments, and a judge ordered them to home detention with ankle monitoring. She also called for them to complete competency evaluations, a process to determine whether the children are able to understand the nature of the allegations and the court proceedings.
We will be setting the competency hearing sometime in January, probably towards the end of January.
Now, 2 months later, those competency hearings are finally set to happen on March 25th, 26th, and 27th. But we might not be in the courtroom for them. Today, a closure hearing was held to determine whether media outlets can record the proceedings. The defense attorneys argued the hearings should be closed, saying sensitive information is going to be shared on the two children's home lives, their mental health and physical health.
Your Honor, here, the harm to the juvenile outweighs any interest that the public has expressed.
They also voiced concerns that coverage of the hearings may impact a future trial or discourage the children from opening up in the future when talking to mental health professionals.
The competency reports and hearings themselves often revolve around the specific facts of the child themselves, not the specific facts of the case. And today we ask that this court close the competency hearing.
Now, the judge said she's going to make a decision on this issue either today or on Monday. But to be clear, this decision will only apply to these competency hearings, not whether we're allowed in the courtroom if these cases do go to trial. Reporting in our newsroom, Annabelle Childers, 3 News.